Are you stuck to sticky header in Elementor WordPress? WP Sticky Anything is easy solution for you. It has dedicated Elementor page builder support. Easy step to configure sticky header. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate the Plugins menu, click Add New. Search WP Sticky Anything. Click the Install button. Now click the Active button. Now edit your header with Elementor Page Builder. Select your header container or section and navigate to Advanced tab and click the Sticky Anything section. Enable Sticky Header and set z-index. Now click on the Publish button on the top right. Great job! Your website header is now sticky, making navigation easier and always within reach.